This is my new 3D printed shooter tank. Let me show you what's inside. There's a Raspberry Pi and two DC motor driver because I have 4 motors, 2 on each side. In addition, I'm using the Blue Dot API to connect to Bluetooth to my phone with the Raspberry Pi, and that's how I'm controlling it. This part here I took from another toy that I purchased on Amazon that was broken, and I made it up here, and now it's working with the tank. The original design was done by Tim Clark, which I will link it in the description.